In this Gimp Beginner's Guide, we'll take a quick look at the text tool. Now to show you the basics, I'm going to put this horse's name on the photo. So first I'll click on the text tool to select it, and then I'll click on the photo where I want my text to go. And I'll type in his name. Now a menu has appeared on my screen, and this is just part of the text tool, and it doesn't show up in any exported or saved photos. And when you select another tool, the menu will disappear. And if you look at my layers panel, you'll see that Gimp has given my text a new layer, and it's named it with the text that I typed. Now today I'm actually not going to use this on-screen menu. I'm going to show you the Tool Options panel. And the first thing I'm going to show you is how to change the font. And to do that, I'll click on the button with the double A's on it, and my font menu has opened. And I'll scroll through the fonts, and when I click on one, say this one here, my font changes. Now underneath the font button is the size option, and I can use the little rollers to increase or decrease my text size. And then further down you'll see the colour bar. Now by default your text colour will be the same as your foreground colour. But you can change that by clicking on this colour bar and then clicking on the palette that you'd like to change it to, and then click on the shade and then click OK to confirm it, and you'll see that my text has now changed colour. Now if you decide that you'd like to move your text, you just click on the Move tool in the toolbox, put your cursor into one of the letters and drag it to where you want it to be, and then release the mouse button. Now if you accidentally put your cursor on the photo and not the letter and drag it, you'll see that the photo itself moves. But that's easy to fix. You simply undo that move. So you go to Edit in the menu bar, click on it, and then click on Undo Move Layer. Now I just ignore this perforated line. It's the layer boundary guide, and it doesn't show up if you print or export the photo. It's just showing me where the text layer boundary is. However, if you find it really distracting, you can go to View in the menu bar and click on it, and come down and click on Show Layer Boundary to untick it. So I hope that made sense, but if you've got any problems or questions, please just leave a comment.